Its two-blade cutting system is powered with a 15-ampere motor, which easily boards up to 12.5 inches wide by 6 inches thick wood. At 26 feet per minute feed rate, it can provide 18,000 cuts per minute. The heavy-duty non-marring granite table gives a smooth, flat surface which entirely supports the wood when it passes through. Worrying about distortion or warp is no longer necessary because the granite eliminates these issues. The WEN 6550 Benchtop Thickness Planer cast iron frame guarantees sturdy base, which will not wobble or walk while you're operating it. It uses tri-roller feeding system that helps to minimize snipe. The SK5 dual blades that are located in the middle roller are reversible, thus ensuring sharp cuts and making them long-lasting. The foldable adjustable in-feed and out-feed tables support the long workpieces as they glide through the planer. Its rubber grip handle will help you adjust the height of the planer to allow comfort and precise measurement. The collapsible tables and side handles with inside hollows ease the transport around the workshop. And to prevent mess and irritating sawdust flying around, attach the dust extractive device to the 2-inch dust port, which is fan-assisted. WEN 6550 Benchtop Thickness Planer comes with a 2-year warranty, helpful customer service line, and a nationwide network of service technicians.